Welcome to the Ultra Blue channel, your go-to source for detailed tech guides and tutorials. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of updating drivers in Windows. Keeping your drivers up to date is crucial for maintaining system stability, performance, and compatibility with new softwares and hardwares. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Your support helps us to create more valuable content. Drivers are essential software components that allows your operating system to communicate with your hardware devices. Updating drivers can resolve compatibility issues, fix bugs, and improve overall system performance. In this tutorial, we'll cover various methods to update your drivers in Windows. One of the easiest ways to update drivers in Windows is through the Device Manager. To open Device Manager, right-click on your Start button and then click on Device Manager. In Device Manager, you see a list of all the hardware components. To update a driver, expand the category you want. So let's say we wanted to update our keyboard. So we expand it, open, go to Drivers and click on Update Drivers. Now, when this menu pops up, search automatically for update driver software. Windows will search automatically online for the latest drivers and install it for you. Another method is to download drivers directly from the hardware manufacturer's website. This method ensures you get the latest drivers specifically designed for your device. For instance, I'm using HP. So if I wanted to download drivers for HP, I'll simply go to my web browser and type in HP official page. Alright. So if you're using Lenovo, you type in Lenovo's official page. If you're using Dell, you type in Dell's official page. So in the official page, you usually see software and driver updates. Or if you don't see it, don't worry, you could just go to the official page. And in the official page, if you go to support, you'd see softwares and drivers. So when you open it, it will take you to the software and driver page. Now, you'd select the device or the type of device you are using. I'm currently running this on a laptop, so I'll click on laptop. If I was running it on a desktop, I'll click on a desktop. Now, depending on your manufacturer, some manufacturers will prompt you to download a software that will automatically run in your background and detect the type of system you are running so that it provides automatically the drivers you need. Now, if you find yourself in a situation where the manufacturer you're using doesn't allow that, you have to get the serial number of your device. So in getting the serial number in HP, simply pressing the function key plus escape will bring the serial number for you. So you copy and go back to the page and paste and then search. Now it's going to go ahead and search for a driver specific for the device you are using. So I'm using an HP ProBook 4th generation blah blah blah. So on this page, I could download all the available drivers I have for the system. I, however, have the latest version of every single hardware component of my PC, so there's nothing to update here, and that's just how it is. If you're using NVIDIA, you would have gone to your browser and opened the NVIDIA's manufacturer's website, and then, just as I said, type in the serial number of your device, and it will get you the latest version of your drivers. You could also use Windows Updates to install driver updates. This method is convenient as it can update multiple drivers simultaneously. To do this, open your settings, go to your settings, and go to updates or updates and securities if you are using Windows 10, and then check for updates. So if there are any updates for your PC, it's going to go ahead and update them. If they are outdated drivers, it will go ahead to and update the drivers for you simultaneously. I'm however running the latest version of Windows right now, and therefore I have nothing to update. There are several third-party software programs that can help you update drivers easily. These programs can scan your system for outdated drivers and provide a simple interface to download and install updates. Some popular options include Driver Booster, we have Driver Easy, and we have Snappy Driver, etc. So once you download and install one of these programs, you can run a scan and follow the prompts to update your drivers. So updating drivers in Windows is essential for maintaining system performance and compatibility. Whether you use Driver Manager or you download drivers from the manufacturer's website or use third-party softwares, keeping your drivers up to date will ensure your system runs smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe to the Ultra Blue channel for more in-depth tutorials and guides. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with others. Your support helps us to create more high-quality content such as this one. See you in the next tutorial.